Okay friends, how to remember formula for MI of hollow rectangular section. Suppose consider a hollow rectangular section having width outer rectangle having width b and depth is d, inner rectangle having width small b and depth is d. Suppose we have to calculate the formula for remember about x-axis, then for about x-axis, stand up on x-axis, then see the front side, into side means depth cube divided by 12 minus front side of small rectangle b into depth d, take cube of depth, side cube bd cube divided by 12. Similarly, for about y-axis is Iyy is equal to stand up on y-axis, then take front side, y-axis front side is depth capital D, capital B into side is b, take b cube divided by 12 minus. Similarly, for about inner rectangle front side is small d into side cube divided by 12. Very simple tricks to remember formula for rectangular or hollow rectangular section is front side into side cube divided by 12.